Questions number 1. These are economic resources with the ability or potential to provide future benefits. A. Assets. B. Liability. C. Shareholders' equity. D. Retained earnings. Correct answer is A. Assets. Questions number 2. A. Debit entry to an account. A. Increase liabilities. B. Increase OA. C. Increase assets. D. Increase both A and B. Correct answer is increase assets. Questions number 3. What is the basic principle for measuring inventories? A. Inventories shall be measured at the lower of cost and value in use. B. Inventories shall be measured at the lower of fair value and value in use. C. Inventories shall be measured at the lower fair value and net realizable value. D. Inventories shall be measured at the lower of cost and net realizable value. Correct answer is D. Inventories shall be measured at the lower of cost and net realizable value. Questions number 4. Office salaries, advertising and sales commissions are the examples of A. Financial expenses. B. Operating expenses. C. Marketing expenses. D. Direct expenses. Correct answer is B. Operating expenses. Questions number 5. Bills payable account is shown in the balance sheet under the head A. Provision. B. Reserve and surplus. C. Secured loans. D. Current liabilities. Correct answer is D. Current liabilities. Questions number 6. Utilities employ wages and taxes are examples of A. Non-recurring expenses. B. Variable expenses. C. Operating expenses. D. Flexible expenses. Correct answer is C. Operating expenses. Questions number 7. Bills receivable account is shown in the balance sheet under the head A. Provision. B. Reserve and surplus. C. Secured loan. D. Current asset. Correct answer is D. Current assets. Question number 8. What is the full meaning of GAAP? A. Generalized accepted accounting principles. B. Generally accepted accounting principle. C. German all accounting principle. D. Generally accepted accounting principles. Correct answer is B. Generally accepted accounting principles. Question number 9. What are assets? A. Sales of product or services. B. Amount owned. C. Resources owned. D. Owner's claim to resources. Correct answer is C. Resources owned. Question number 10. Long-lived tangible assets that are used in the operation of the business are called A. Tangible assets. B. Natural resources. C. Plant resources. D. Goodwill. Correct answer is C. Plant.